we have learned a lot about this. Finish the post from yesterday. Tomorrow, we are going to the digital character hunting. So, get all of the characters and bring them. Are we just gonna go hunting for 1 hour? When they hunted characters, we just have 2 times of register for days. When they just talked, 10 seconds. Did you just pull it? It is just a fire alarm, so stay. Let's do some maths, English, non-verbal reasoning. So sit down at your tables and I'll bring your work to start doing. So sit down. First question is, Sam takes 1 piece, it has 3 pieces. When they are doing their first question. Alright, do more questions. 1:26. When they are doing work. I do not know about this question. Guys, you have got 5 minutes left. When they are finishing for the last 5 minutes,